Hi everyone, this is Brianna Larson, Admissions Counselor with School of the Arts here at Utah Valley University. I'm excited to be sharing with you our programs found within the school. So let's begin. In alphabetical order, we have Art and Design, where we offer certificates of completion and proficiency. Associate's degree, where we have an Associate of Applied Science in Design and Illustration, Graphic Design, Photography, or an Associate of Science or Arts in Art and Design. Our bachelor degrees consist of a Bachelor of Science or Arts in Art and Design and Art Education, a Bachelor of Arts in Art History with a minor option, and our Bachelor of Fine Arts that is portfolio entry with emphases of graphic design, illustration, painting and drawing, photography, sculpture, and ceramics. Next up, we have dance. Our associate degree is designed as our pre-major program where students will enter the program under this umbrella to officially matriculate into the program their freshman spring semester. We have our Bachelor of Science degree in Ballroom Dance and Dance Education, our Bachelor of Fine Arts in Ballet and Modern. Our performing companies consist of ballet, which is our repertory ballet ensemble, and in ballroom we have a tour team, backup tour team, and 2 backup training teams. In modern we have our pre-professional contemporary dance ensemble, Synergy, and then hip hop we have our company Mosaic. Within music, we also offer certificates. We have our Music Technology Certificate of Proficiency, our Associate of Science in Music, our Bachelor of Science or Arts in Music. We also have a minor available, our Bachelor of Science in Music Education, and then our Bachelor of Music in Commercial Music and Performance. Our performance groups consist of bands, Wind Symphony, Screamin' Green Band, University Band, our choirs, chamber choir, men's choir, women's choir, concert choir, as well as the UVU opera. With our orchestras, we have symphony and chamber. We have jazz commercial ensembles with our jazz orchestra, and then our small jazz and commercial. Percussion ensembles, chamber ensembles, and campus percussion ensemble. Within theater, we have our associate degrees, either in science or arts in theater arts, and our Bachelor of Science in Theater Arts Education, our Bachelor of Arts in Theater Arts, and then our Bachelor of Fine Arts, which is audition or portfolio entry for acting, design and production, musical theater, and we also have a minor. So there's the School of the Arts and all the programs housed within. We look forward to answering any further questions you may have. Thank you!